Okay, so I'd like to start and tell you, make sure you're doing everything safely. I do have a wheel chuck behind the wheel of my car. It's also in park, so the back wheels are locked. It should not move. And from underneath the car, you can see I have it sitting centered on the jack stands, nice and secure, so as not to cause any issues. And then here is the current one that we're going to take off, and we'll put on the new one. First thing we're going to do is we're going to crawl down underneath here. There's kind of a pain in the rear on some of these on these stock ones that we're going to have to get out. First of all, we're going to crawl underneath here, and I'm going to put myself in a 1/2-inch bit, and I'm going to have myself a hammer and a chisel, because there's some rivets under here that we got to actually drill and get out. And where those are at there's quite a few of them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on that side. And the best way to get these out is to basically drill up in here a little bit, and it'll start spinning right away. So then we got to kind of wedge it a little bit, so that we can drill out that center. And then hopefully we can just take ourselves the chisel and kind of pop into that and pop that off. And we're going to have to do that for all 10 of these. I notice it starts spinning right away, so try to do this with the other hand here. Okay, now I'm going to go over and get the other 5. Okay, now that all those are out, we're going to change out our bit. And we're going to pull out the 7mm screws on the back side here. There's one tucked in behind here. And 2, 3, 4. I'm going to come through to this side, and I'll get the one that's tucked in behind here again. And we're going to reuse these to hold the new one in. 6. And the last bolter should let it fall down. Here it comes. And it's going to have to pull out from behind those things, and we're going to drop it out. And there's the old splitter. We're going to pull it out, slide it out of our way. And now that I got this all out of here, I'm going to do a little bit of cleanup under here. There's a couple of little rivets here that now are stuck in there that I need to pop out. Okay, we're going to start to try to put this new one back up and underneath. The spots where I popped out the rivets, those should go back in with some screws that the kit sent with me. They are Phillips head screws. Okay. Start here in the middle so I can try to get this thing to hold up. And I'm not going to zip it all the way tight, just get myself started. So I've got a little wiggle room here to maneuver this thing around and hopefully get it in the right spots. I'm just kind of hand tightening some of these in here, just to get them all into the little bolt holes. Let's work this way first. I think we're going to be good right there. I'm going to start to tighten this up. And I'm not cranking them tight. Just make them down snug, kind of like they were when they came off. This has got to tuck in under there. I'll take it out. There should be one tucked in underneath here. Okay. And these are going to screw basically into the plastic that the grommet things were that we beat out. And so that you can see them, they're just a Phillips head screw that came to go back in. Just like that. There we go. Come over here. There we go. And there you go. A new carbon fiber is now put in. And so you can see a little better. It's going to look better on the car. Plus now I can drill and I can put the side winglets on if I so desire at a later date. But for right now, there's the install of the new splitter. All right. I hope that was helpful and beneficial for you and you got to see some stuff. And I will talk to you soon.